Reading with Peppa and Friends. Kitties on Dinosaurs by Michael Slack. Ooh, look at that.
It's a little cat island.
And what's behind the cat island?
On top?
Right over here.
Oh, it's a dinosaur island. No, kitties. You don't want to climb that dinosaur mountain.
Well, let's find out what's going to happen in the story. Well, kitties, you are officially expert climbers. You've climbed everything there is to climb. Your cat tree?
Check.
A real tree?
Check.
An ancient litter box in the trees?
Check.
Now what? The dinosaurs on Dinosaur Island? Kitties, that's bonkers.
That's bonkers.
You are cuddly. You are cute. They are humongous.
They will eat you alive.
You do not want to climb those dinosaurs.
That's so silly.
Too late. You are determined to climb the dinosaurs.
Uh-oh. Look at that dinosaur tail.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a dinosaur tail.
That's right. And what is this yellow cat doing over here?
He's grabbing a fish.
He's hungry.
And
this one looks like she's thirsty.
Yep.
Don't do it, kitties. They look hungry. Roar.
Roar.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
They spotted you. Now you're in trouble. Did anyone notice that little bird that got away?
Yep, there it is.
Yeah, that little
bird is running away from the dinosaurs.
Yes, she's like, I'm free from being their dinner. Good idea. Get in your litter mobile and sail back to Kitty Island. Fast! Scratch, scratch, tap, tap, scratch, tap. What are you doing in there, kitties? You're making a backup plan? Fine. Don't listen to me. Oh, look, what is this kitty doing? Writing on a notepad. This yellow kitty's typing on his cat laptop.
And this pink kid is doing how to make a video.
This pink cat is watching YouTube called Lasso Pro. Plan B, Booted Buckaroos. Ooh, look at those dinosaurs playing hopscotch.
Hopscotch?
What are these kitties doing here? You think that they learned how to lasso a dinosaur with that ball of yarn?
Yeah.
They're very optimistic. What happened here? Are they holding on by their string?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Watch out, kitties. You better watch out for that hot lava. Roar, roar, roar.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Close call, furballs. You barely escaped.
Right.
Let me guess. Plan C. Plan C? Camouflage. Get it? Camouflage, but catmouflage. Look at these little kitties.
Those are not kitties.
And look at these kitties.
Yep, they're all kitties.
They're like...
And this gray kitty's like, ah! I'm gonna fall down.
Even this dinosaur's chuckling. He's like, hee 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 hee.
Roar, roar, roar.
Well, kitties,
you did your best.
You tried hard, but buzz, Wait!
You have a plan D?
No one ever has a plan D. Are they like flying in a drone? These are modern kitties.
Those are silly kitties.
Plan D, dino drop.
Dino drop.
Roar!
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 Look at these kitties. They have a parachute. they flew safely with that parachute. Tough cookies, kitties. Your plans didn't work. Time to accept defeat.
What's 70s?
It means to wave the white flag. It means to surrender.
Surrender?
Yeah, it means to say, I'm done. I give up. But do you think these kitties are going to give up?
Nope.
Let's find out. Meow, meow, meow.
Haha, I'm gonna miss you all.
Wow, I did not see this coming. Roar, 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 meow. Even prehistoric grouchy lizards can't resist your cuddly cuteness. You did it, kitties. Your plan D actually worked. I was wrong. I was 100% certain you would be eaten alive. Now you've really climbed everything there is to climb. Dinosaurs on Dinosaur Island.
Check.
Scratch that.
Scratch that.
You've climbed the tiny baby dinosaurs
Dinosaurs.
on Dinosaur Island, whose mommies have been looking for them. Kitties,
Kitties?
don't even think about climbing the mommy soars. Too late. What are they wearing? Do you think it was wise of them to disguise themselves like a little dinosaur? Time will tell.